Hey, what's going on? My name is Mida with Ignition Off-Road, and the day has finally come to give away my old lift kit. Yes, that's right. If you haven't been following what I've been doing on the channel, I recently purchased a monster lift kit for my Subaru Forester, which is a 4-inch front, 4.5 rear. Now obviously there's no more need for this old lift kit that I previously had. So out of the goodness of my own heart, I'm going to give away this lift kit to one of you guys at my very own expense. So the kit in question is my old SubieLiftOz 2.5 front, 3-inch rear lift kit. Now after 2 years of running this kit, it has endured a little bit of wear and tear. For the most part, some of the powder coating has peeled off and has caused some of the metal to rust. Other than that, there's been absolutely no dramas whatsoever with the kit. On top of my old lift kit, I'm going to throw in some new hardware for you guys, and I've still got the original fitting instructions here, which I will be sending out as well. Now if you want to win this particular lift kit, then all you have to do is go to my blog Ignition Off-Road. I've got a link there which is win my lift kit, and then you simply enter your details and you're now in the running to win. I will leave a link for the competition details in the description below. Now for the competition itself, everyone has one chance to enter. So your name will only be counted once in the competition, so everyone has an equal opportunity to win this kit. Now this competition is going to close Friday 25th of October at 5 PM Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 PM down here in Victoria, Australia. One thing to keep in mind, this is a lift kit for an SG Forester, which is your make years 2003 to 2007. If you do not have an SG Forester, then this kit will not fit and you won't be able to enter the competition. If you want to see me do more giveaways in the future, then all you have to do is go check out my FanBeach account. Any donations is going to help me improve the channel and help me give back to you, the viewer. Anyway, that's it for this video. Good luck to everyone entering, and I'll see you all next time. See ya.